Hello, my name is Colette Bogart, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the trigonomical equation 2 cos squared of theta plus 3 cosine theta plus 1 equals 0. We can start by identifying that this is a quadratic equation by cosine squared plus cosine plus a number. So we start by foiling it out. What times what gives us 2 cosine squared? That is 2 cos of theta times cos of theta. Now we can put plus because we notice this is plus and this is plus. Now what times what gives us 1? That is 1. So we can check our answer by foiling it out. 2 cos of theta times cos of theta is 2 cos squared of theta. 2 cos of theta times 1 is 2 cos of theta. 1 times cos of theta is cos of theta, and 1 times 1 is 1. So now 2 cos of theta squared plus, we can combine these two like terms, 3 cos of theta plus 1. Since this one and this equation match, we are correct with these. So now let's continue and set these equations, cos of theta plus 1 equal to 0. Cos of theta plus 1. Now, to leave cos of theta alone on one side, we need to subtract 1. What we do to one side, we do to the other. Equals negative 1. Now we divide by 2 to leave cosine alone. So cosine of theta equals negative 1/2. This is one of the solutions. Now, we do minus 1 to leave this alone. So cosine of theta equals negative 1. Now we have the other solution. Now we pull out our special right triangles to find negative 1/2, not negative 1/2. So we see 1 and a 2 here in the 30, 60, 90. So let's take the angle from 60 and say adjacent and hypotenuse. So now we go to the unit circle and we put 60 degrees here, which is pi over 3. Now we go to this side and we say pi over 3. No, this is 2 pi over 3. Over here is 4 pi over 3. And over here is 11 pi over 6. So now we see that this is negative. So we're looking for negative answers, and here we have the positive, so we don't want this one nor this one. We're looking for the sine and the tangent. So knowing that this is 60 over here and 60 over here, we want to find out how much is from here to here. So that involves knowing that this is pi over here, all the way is pi, and that this is pi over 3. So now we can do pi minus pi over 3, which gives us First we need to have the common denominator, so we multiply by 3, and that gives us 3 and 3. Okay. So 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi over 3. This is one solution. Now, knowing that this is pi and that this here is pi over 3, we can add pi plus pi over 3. And we do the same over here. We multiply by 3 to have the same common denominator. So 3 pi plus pi is 4 pi over 3. So this is our second solution from these equations. So now we want to find out cosine equals -1. Using our unit circle, we can find out that cos of theta equals -1 is equal to pi. So this is pi, and this is our third solution. So now we have that our solutions, so theta is equal to 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and pi.